Hi everybody, this is Shay. What you hear is the cat scratching on the scratching post the second I press play. Go figure. And I am at my friend's house. I am cat sitting. So I'm trying to set up this little station where I can record and open this one for you. I had 3 choices that people had given me. Between this, the Fenestra, and the Soul Trees Oracle. And I put it in the random number picker online. And this is what it chose. So I'm going to open this one since I've never done it before. And again, this is the one that is without borders. Now, to get the one without borders, it has to be a particular ISBN number. Yes, and this is the number for the one without the borders. Now, if you go on Amazon and go straight to it, I believe that one is the one with the borders. And if you want the one with borders, go ahead and just get it from Amazon. If you want the one without, you can do what I did. I went to eBay and I found it there, and I matched the ISBN number, which is 978-07387-0921-5. And hopefully I got it right and not got the wrong one. Wouldn't that be lovely, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm going to pause it real quick so I can open it. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I opened it. And this is one of those lovely self-closure, magnetic closure boxes. And so that's always nice. I like those boxes. Oh, it's very pretty inside. Look at that. Let's lift this out. It's a pretty thick guidebook. Okay, a Guide to Mystic Faerie Tarot, Barbara Moore. Journey into the magical realm of enchanted forests and wishing pools where sprites, elves, and nymphs hobnob with magicians and priestesses, and the fae of each flower, stone, and star hold a message just for you. It's pretty. Okay, let's see. Dewdrop, acorn to oak, lily pond, fairy ring, 2 paths in the garden, rose petals, your birthday sunflower spread, a nighttime forest stroll, love me not, daisy spread. That's cool. And it's black and white. Nothing fancy, but it's perfect for this deck. Let's see how many pages. 267? Nope. It's more. Let's see. 281. 284. 284. And of course, this is Llewellyn. Most Llewellyn comes in these kind of closed boxes. And yes, they do have this cardboard thing. I might just take this out and put it in a bag and put that back in here. These are the backs. And yes, it is the one without the borders. Yay, I did it right. So like I said, yes, that ISBN number that I talked about earlier, that is the one that you're going to want to research a little. Go to eBay, Google it, and just find the right one. All right, I'm going to pause it again so I can open the cards. Okay, I got them. They're a little sticky. They're kind of sticking to each other. And if you see the table move, it's because the cat is going back and forth underneath this table and rubbing against it and purring. He's a big baby. But they're a little sticky. But this is a Llewellyn cardstock. So once they unconnect from each other, they will be easy to shuffle. Yeah, see how much they are stuck together? How crazy is that, right? All right. But this is the full. And from what I understand, what I've been told about this deck, that each suit kind of tells a story. And I would like to delve a little bit deeper into that, into the story of each deck. Or, I'm sorry, each suit. So that will be interesting to see too. Let me go back to the full real quick. Looks like a little trickster. which most fae are. Magician. Okay. Oh, the priestess. Pretty. The empress. Oh, she's very pretty. You can tell. Swollen belly. Oh, I love the purple. Though I'm a green girl and blue, I do like purple too. The emperor. Oh, the priest. I like that. That's awesome. Yeah, they're all stuck. The lovers. Pretty. The chariot. On birds. Those falcons. Those look like hawks or eagles. Strength. Oh, that's nice. The dragon. It's a pretty card. The hermit. Oh, I love it. That's cute. The Wheel of Fortune. Justice. Let's see, they're stuck. You can tell this is the first time I open them. They're all stuck together. The Hanged Fae. Death. Nice. Temperance. The Devil. Still stuck. Oh my gosh. Okay. The Tower. Ooh, I like that tower. Now, believe it or not, the Tower is my birth card. And I gotta look at it in a good way, right? Good chaotic changes. The Star. The Moon. It's pretty. Yeah, still stuck together. The Sun. Ooh, and the baby has clothes. Yay. Judgment. The World. Okay, I'm going to pause it real quick and separate the suits because, like I said, they tell a story and I like to look into that just a little bit. Okay, so hold on one second. Okay, first we have the Wands. And we have the Ace of Wands, which is a spear, it looks like. Feathers on it. And a crystal as the spear point. It's nice. Okay. We start off with these two boys sitting on mushrooms. Now, I didn't read anything about this, but I did separate the cards so they didn't stick to one another. And looks like they're beginning something. They're shaking hands, maybe? Yes, they are. They're together. They're waiting. Oh, now they have the third person in there. I wonder what they have there. An egg? Dragon egg? Five of Wands. Yeah, it looks like a dragon egg. Yes, it is. Look. Six of Wands. Victory. It is hatched. Oh, now the dragon is larger. That's the 7. His facial expression looks angry there. The 8 of Wands. Action. The 9 of Wands. Oh no. The 10 of Wands. But do they get out? Is that it? Is that the end? I want to know more. Okay. The Knave is the pages. Okay, young little fairy. The Knight. I'm used to seeing them riding something, a horse or something. I'm surprised they're not. But that's fine. Okay. Queen, the King. Okay, next is the Swords. That's a pretty card. Two of Swords, two girl fairies there. The Rose. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. I just got a notification that someone might come, so I might have to pause it again a little bit. Six. The Seven. Look at the thorns. Yep, there they are. Eight of Swords. Oops, sorry. And the Nine. She's worried, but I see hope. The bird carrying the flower. The Ten of Swords. Lovely. The Knave. The Knight. Well, see, this one looks like more of a knight just because she's wearing armor, so I can see it. The Queen. And the King. Oh, right. Not to rush, but if I'm going to get interrupted in a minute, I want to finish before they do. Pentacles. That's nice in a basket. Abundance, maybe. Beginning of Two of Pentacles. Yeah, I guess it's what they value. In their case, it's not money or wealth or gain. It's food. This one has a little necklace, though. Food. 5, 6, 7. And I guess each suit does have a continuation with each of these little fairies. But it doesn't tell too much of a story. It just has her in these different situations. 9 of Pentacles. Oh, I never. Then the 10. Then a Knave. The Knight. That looks like a knight. The Queen. And the King. Little blackberries. What does blackberries mean? I forget. Oh. Now we have the cups. This is very, very pretty. I like that. Okay, now we have a boy fairy and a mermaid fairy. Okay, oh, because of the water element. 2 of Cups. Oh, 3 mermaid fairies. 3 Cups. 4 of Cups. Oh, look at, I do look upset. 5 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 7 of Cups. 8 of Cups. 9. Oh. Oh, the boy, is that the boy older? Like I said, I'm going to have to read into this more. 10 of Cups. The Knave. The Knight. Oh, I like that one. The Queen. Ooh, the mermaid fairy. I like it. And the King. All right. Well, that is the Mystic Faerie Tarot with no borders. Thanks for joining me. This is Shay, and goodbye, everybody. Till next time.